Today we will learn about the story The Honest Woodcutter.
Honest?
What story?
The honest woodcutter.
What is honest, ma'am? What do you mean by honest? Honest is being true to yourself. Is telling truth to yourself. Honest means telling truth to ourselves. You should not tell others ka this is mine and all. If it is yours, then only it is yours. Others means it is others only. That is called honesty. कोई अच्छा सामान देख लिया, वो मैं आपको पसंद आया, वो मेरा है, नहीं, वो दूसरा का है. That is called honesty. Honesty. What is yours? That is only yours, not the other things.
ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಬೇರೊಬ್ಬರ ವಸ್ತುನ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಅದು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು. ನಮ್ದಾದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ತಗೋಬೇಕು.
दूसरे का कुछ भी लेना है वो मेरा है ऐसे नहीं कहना है. जो आपका है वही आपका है. दूसरों को पसंद आया अच्छा है बस, लेकिन वो आपका नहीं हो सकता. उनसे बिना पूछे लेना नहीं है. ओके, the honesty is doing right things regardless of whole in around. Honesty ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರೀ ಸಾಮಾನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ. Not only कुछ वस्तु में, सब में honesty. आपने गलत किया, एक्सेप्ट कीजिए, मैंने किया. दूसरे को मारा, उसको रुलाया, नहीं, I didn't tell. No, that is not true. You have to, if you have beaten, accept it. I have done it. Okay, beating is correct, I am not telling. If you have done the mistake, you accept it. That is honesty. Honesty is not only taking things from others, telling in doing with the activity and accepting it, that is also honesty. Full. Now ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಿಜ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. We should always tell the truth, no telling lies.
No telling
No
lies.
telling lies. Honesty is admitting the truth. Admitting the truth means you are accepting what you are doing. If you have done wrong also, you should tell, I have done it. Please excuse me. That is the correct way. I have not done, I didn't do, no telling like that. Okay? ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. That is called honesty. ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. Okay? Clap hands for now. Now we will